Hi, I'm Pam from Mommy Knows Best, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to make our delicious lactation cookies. All you need is a few simple ingredients you probably have at home already. You need a mixer of some sort. I prefer to use a stand mixer because afterwards I can take all the pieces and pop them right in the dishwasher, but you can also use a hand mixer or a bowl with a wooden spoon. You'll also need our delicious lactation cookie mix, an egg, and 1 stick of butter. Steps are very, very simple. First, add your eggs and butter to your mixer. And you want to cream these together for just a moment or two to get them nice and incorporated. Make sure you lock it. Once the egg and butter are nice and mixed, it's time to add the cookie mix. Now it's time to mix. Remember to start slowly since you're adding powder. And as the mix gets more and more incorporated and homogeneous, you can speed it up just a bit. Voila, you're done. Now, family secret is to take your cookie mix and stick it in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so, a little less just while you're waiting for your oven to preheat to 375. Now that our oven is preheated and our cookies have been chilling in the freezer for a bit, it's time to start scooping. Now that we have all of our cookies on, the very last step before baking is take a spoon and just give them a nice firm press to flatten them down a bit. They don't have to be perfect, but pushing them down will make sure that they bake nice and evenly with a soft center and a slightly crispy outside. All right, into your preheated 375-degree oven they go. Cookies are done. You want to let them sit for about 2 minutes. There you have it, 24 cookies per bag. Serving size is 2 cookies, and you can do that 1 to 2 times a day.